This woman is every renter's nightmare. On September 29, 2025, police responded to an apartment complex after exhausted neighbors called 911. A woman was aggressively banging on the walls and screaming at the top of her lungs in the middle of the night. Let's get straight into the body cam footage to see how a simple noise complaint turned into an absolute chaotic arrest.
I literally just noticed this like 5 minutes ago, and I was dozing off, and then I heard pounding, and which is normal. Most nights I hear pounding coming from up there, but then I started hearing screaming, so I was coming out making sure like no guy was beating on her or anything. That's basically what I was making sure of.
If you go through the hallway, her apartment is like, it's a studio apartment, so it's just one big old room, and it's connected with my room, you know, where I can hear her. So she's yelling. This happened more than once. I'm just calling now because I don't want to hear it. I have to work in the morning. Unlike her, she works at White Castle, so she's up all hours of the night.
Okay.
I have a steady, you know, and the walls are thin, so I don't want to have it to be a problem. But she needs to know, you know, you need to have common courtesy for other people.
Okay. Is there a point of contact for the building? Are you all in the same building?
We're all in the same building, so it's a studio. I have a one-bedroom apartment, so they're all different.
Okay. What's your address?
Yeah, you hear her? Mm-hmm. That's her. No, I'm not. That's not her. So that's her unit right there.
Within my rights, I would kindly, gladly ask because I'm allowed to do that. No!
Get out.
No!
Now.
Get out.
No! No!
Okay. You need to
Let go of me! No. You're on body camera! Ow! He's hurting me!
Ma'am, how about you
Ow!
to us?
Ow! Really?
Come out. Talk to us.
Let go!
Okay.
You're hurting!
Let it go. Are we gonna talk? Are we gonna talk? What are you doing?
No! I'm not submitting! I didn't do it!
What are you doing?
I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything! Ah! This is assault! Ah! No!
Here.
No! I didn't do it! No, you gotta let me get my stuff!
No, we don't.
Yes, you do!
No.
We're going to...
Ah! For what?
I heard you're a police officer.
Can't
How's
have
that?
531 detained.
Can I please get my phone?
No.
No, you can't swing. You can't swing at an officer.
No! What about my keys? You can't do that to me!
Yeah, we can.
No!
You can't swing at an officer.
Stand up.
I can't!
Stand up.
Please help me! I can't! It hurts!
Stand up.
Please! Please, can I get my phone? Please!
What?
Please! Please, help me!
Check him. I'm sorry.
Why are you so upset?
You want a belt checked on her?
I can't breathe! Please let me
Do
up!
you have any medical conditions we need to know about?
Please let me up! I can't breathe! I'm having a panic attack, please!
Sit up.
Then stop screaming.
Please! I need help!
Stand up.
I can't!
Yes, you can.
They have me handcuffed!
And you can stand with legs. You don't have to stand on your hands. Go. Come on.
Stop.
My leg was... Can I please get my phone?
I'm gonna drag you down the stairs if you don't
Can you
stand up.
please-
Stand up.
Please get my
Stand
phone!
up and I'll go get your phone. I can't go in there if you don't get out of the way. Stand up.
Please get
Stand up.
Please
Last
stop.
order.
Please stop yelling at me! My keys are in my phone! I didn't do anything! Ow! Ow! My wrist! My police brutality!
It's not.
Ah! Really? 'Cause I didn't. Ah!
Sit up.
I did! My. This is police brutality!
Really not.
Can't come.
Yes, it is! No. You're dragging me!
standing up.
Can you tell me what law I broke? Because I didn't.
Battery to a police
Can
officer.
you have an ambulance come here?
He dragged me down the stairs!
I just want to check on
Please don't take me! I
the
didn't.
female
They
over
dragged
here.
me down the stairs and fucking hurt
Make sure she's
me.
not in some state of
I did not
psychosis.
hurt no police officer!
Really? You didn't hit my partner?
No!
You sure about that?
I can prove it!
No, you can't.
Yes, I didn't
So,
do that!
Knock on the
I
door,
would never
open it
hurt
up,
the police
put my
officer.
foot in, and
That is
we already tried
bullshit.
making
Also, you
contact.
follow lawful orders.
She slammed the door on him initially,
I answered!
and then
I answered
once
the
once the
door.
door opened,
No!
put my foot on the door,
I
try and get her
didn't
to yank
hurt
her
a
out,
cop.
and she doesn't want to come out.
I never hurt a cop. I respect
And then I
the
let her go,
cop.
and then she swings at me
No!
for whatever
You
reason,
grabbed
and then
me! You
Hey,
grabbed
I'm
me
fine.
and
We're just
dragged
right
me
here.
down the stairs!
I mean it was a weak punch,
You
but
dragged me down the stairs!
but she resisted after that.
No, I didn't. I opened the door.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
Yes,
well,
I
we could
did.
do obstructing and
Yeah, but
like
that's
that,
not. I
sure.
didn't assault an officer.
Instead of cooperating, the woman actively fights the police and actually swings her fist at one of the officers. The cops immediately take her down and place her in handcuffs. Once she realizes she is officially under arrest, she throws a massive tantrum. She screams at the top of her lungs, claims she's having a panic attack, begs for her cell phone, and accuses the officers of police brutality. Officers repeatedly order her to stand up and walk down the stairs like a grown adult. But she stubbornly refuses to use her legs, forcing the frustrated officers to literally drag her out of the building while she continues to scream and cry. Those poor renters deserve to live in peace.
yeah.
I didn't. I didn't assault
Yeah, I'm just
officer.
tired.
No, there is no day in court. I'm not going to jail. I didn't.
It's not a negotiation.
I didn't do anything. I don't even have my phone or my debit card. It's inside.
We can all hear you.
I opened the door both times.
Okay, but you gotta cooperate.
I opened it clearly.
If you
enough
don't
for you.
cooperate,
Stop
listen.
talking over him. He is talking.
If you don't cooperate, we detain you into cuffs. You resisted
Oh,
that,
please, I will do
and then you tried swinging at me.
No, I didn't.
Well, you didn't try. You did.
tried grabbing me. Please, I'm sorry.
Yes, because we have to contain you
I don't
because of your
have a
demeanor.
record. Run my name. I don't.
You're terrorizing this building.
Please, I just want to go to sleep.
Then talk to me. What's your last name?
You fucking aggressively cuffed me and then I've cuts in my wrist. I didn't. You guys fucking pulled me out of my own apartment. Okay, but it fucking hurts. That's why.
Can you talk to our paramedics, please?
Cutting and bruising me in ways that I don't
Can
want
you
to
talk to the paramedics,
feel
please?
anymore.
Hi, Sarah.
From DC.
What's happening?
Yeah, sure.
My fucking wrists are bruised and cut.
Well,
Construction.
Okay, other than that.
Like that.
sure. I mean,
They want to. If they have anything.
You don't need to go? You don't need to see the paramedics for anything, right?
a what?
A hole
Better
there.
from a scrape or a broken bone or nothing.
Let me
I
go
don't
get
have
paperwork
anything
and talk to
feeling
them.
wrong with me.
Thanks.
Stand up.
Please don't be so proud of
Stand
me.
up.
I'm trying. but-
No, you're not. Put your feet on the ground.
Ow! Ow!
1, 2, 3.
Ow! 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 You're not
Stop.
You're not
Miss, come on.
Yeah! Yeah! That's not my shoulder.
Oh, sorry. I thought that was mine for some reason.
Please let
Okay.
me
She
go.
refused medical? Okay.
I didn't do anything. Please tell me when I'm being arrested for, please. Please arrest
Aggravated battery to a police officer, obstructing a police officer, resisting arrest,
me.
and you might be getting disorderly conduct too.
Why? I don't have anything in my pockets that's gonna hurt you.
Fine.
I don't even have my phone.
This one
I
looks
can't
fine,
even
too.
call
They're both
anybody
good.
because I don't know any. Can I please get my stuff?
No, we got to search her.
I didn't do anything. I did not hurt a police officer. They had grabbed me. You grabbed me. Please, there's something I could do.
No.
You're being too
We're
rough
past that.
with me. I haven't.
1, 2, 3.
Please, I don't even have a debit. I don't even have my phone. Please. number without it. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Please, I did not grab. You guys grabbed me.
Yelling and screaming.
Please, 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 please. I didn't do anything. Yeah, thanks for breaking my shit. Security complex secured for all you guys. I didn't hurt a police officer. You guys hurt me. I have the marks for it. Do you guys have any marks? Please. Please. This is not fair. I didn't hurt nobody. I didn't hurt anybody. They hurt me.
I don't know. I didn't.
They hurt me. Do you have bruises on your fucking body? Because I do.
Makeup.
Business card holder.
Police brutality. I will be making a formal complaint. And what is all your names? Because I will be making a formal complaint.
LeBeau 751.
I didn't hurt a police officer. I would never.
Okay, and you wouldn't yell and scream like a child.
No. And my shit is inside. My debit card and everything. I can't even get out of jail without it. You don't want me to have it?
Weed ends.
After being checked out by paramedics, which she refused, the screaming tenant was hauled off to jail, finally giving her neighbors a quiet night of sleep. For her ridiculous behavior, she was hit with 3 serious criminal charges: disorderly conduct, for screaming, banging on the walls, and completely disturbing the peace of the entire apartment complex; aggravated battery on law enforcement. This is a severe felony charge because she made the terrible decision to physically swing at and strike a uniformed police officer; resisting arrest, because she physically fought the cops, refused lawful orders to stand up, and forced them to drag her down the stairs. What would you do if this woman was your neighbor? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to see more wild body cam breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. See you in the next one!
Oi, oi. What's Florida Life doing at voice up to 6 ball?